Okay, well, I'm going to show you how to schedule on-ramps in our mind-body system, okay? So when you have a client who needs to be scheduled an on-ramp, you will simply go to the on-ramp time. So today I have one Tanya at 6:30. So I'm going to click in this little gap here, and I'm going to click in it, right? So from here, I'm going to schedule William. All right. So I click his name, and then I'm going to scroll down to on-ramp numbers 1, 2, or 3, whichever one he is on. As of right now, this is on-ramp 3. So I click on-ramp 3. I'm gonna go here for 6:30, so that way it lines up with the other on-ramp. Now we can book 8 people in each on-ramp, and when I'm ready to book, I click book. Okay. Now that is on-ramp 3. Okay, we have 3 on-ramps in each month. We have one on Monday. That's on-ramp number 1, the first Monday in the month. On-ramp number 2 follows on November the 11th, which you see here. I will book another one for the 11th. I'm going to click in there. I'm going to click in that little gap. Go to here. I'm going to click William Savoy. I'm going to scroll down to on-ramp number 2. You see how it popped up, on-ramp 2. And then when I'm ready, I hit book. So now on-ramp 2 is scheduled. And then on-ramp 3 is also on a Monday, okay? All the on-ramps are on a Monday. The first, second, and third Monday of the month. Now on-ramps are scheduled between 7:30 a.m. that's one class, and a 6:30 p.m. Those are the only times and dates we have for on-ramps. Every first Monday, every second Monday, every third Monday, one at 6:30 p.m. and 7:30 a.m. Once I schedule the on-ramps, as you see here, I will go to my lead tracker. I am in the FEO tab. See, I'm in the FEO tab here, and I'm looking for on-ramp schedule. On-ramp scheduled in mind body. I find Tanya's name, which I just scheduled her. I placed her in 11/11. That means all her on-ramps have been booked out for the month. And that's how you schedule on-ramps, folks.